I'm really sorry.
I need a mirror so I can just do this. Let me get the rest of it, okay? I need another mirror to look at it.
Just do right down the middle. Just right down the middle. One good one right down the middle, and you'll be good to go.
Back, other way, other way.
Yeah, you gotta come from the front.
Excuse me?
How do you explain this? What's going on
You
here?
didn't really ask a lot. We're not kidding.
I did. He says you had to pay for it. You made the bet, you had to pay.
I can't believe this is happening. I can't either. Put a shorter thing on there, because you're just like combing his hair.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
No,
Dude, it looks good.
It looks good.
Yeah.
What?
Put it on the back of your head.
You've lost so much hair.
I think we should have washed my hair first. We got it wet yet.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, do it now. You can still do it.
Alright.